Okay, welcome to the Daily Trade Recap here on Wednesday, July 5th, 2023. Let's jump in, take a quick look at the markets right as we're about to close here for the day. On SPY, almost unchanged on the day, down maybe 47 cents or so on the day. Nothing new to report. It's still this 44.4 level. So this 444 level, we've got to break through that. I think that could still happen, but if we don't, then I think we've got maybe a double top, and we'll see what happens. But right now, there's no direction, particularly up or down. I think if we break through this, we go higher. If we don't and consolidate, we could still break higher, or we come down and retest this 21 EMA. So we'll see what happens on the day. The Qs also pretty much the same. Couldn't get anything really going. A really small day, up 6 cents on the day, almost a nothing day. And then IWM did drop off on the day, so it's failing at this downtrend line up here. So we'll see what happens, but IWM can't get through that line. Maybe it pulls back and moves higher. It's all good. Not looking particularly perfect on any particular indicators here, so we'll see what happens as we maybe start to turn over a bit. Let's see what happens. I mean, I just think we're in no man's land until we make a break higher or lower, just waffling back and forth. So pretty flat day on the market. Let's take a look at where we are on our portfolio. So as we jump into our portfolio here, you can see today we are going to close the day with a delta around 61. So about 61 delta on the day. It's actually getting close to 70. So we'll change it to 70 at the close here. Theta on the day, 735. So our delta well within our parameters, just slightly positive, which is all good. Theta 735, which is about 0.26%. It's getting lower, so we got to get some theta on as this market just has no volatility to get our premium up. So we need to get some theta working. We'll see what happens. We did close a bunch of trades today. Net lick on the day right now heading into the close, 281,301 is what we're looking at with a BP usage around 157,033. So we are at about a 55 BP use. Again, we're still about 5% high. Haven't been able to get that down. Let's see what happens in the next couple of days. It's not at an extreme level. It's a little higher than I would like. But we did get out of some trades today. There's the closing bell on the day. Daily realized profit on the day, fantastic day, $2,473. Had 4 trades close. Let's take a look at what those trades were. So we'll take a look at the first trade here. Was a strangle on the Aussie dollar futures. This trade hit its roughly 50% winner, so 48% winner in 33 days on this trade, 22% return on capital for that trade. So a nice $650 winner on Aussie futures. Then it's Wednesday, so our weekly strangles on gold and ES come off today. We take our most profitable trades off and we put 2 new ones on. So on ES, because of the move higher and getting a lot of the call side strikes tested, we didn't have as big a winner, but we still managed to net a 24% premium capture winner in 14 days. So that was our best trade so far. 8% return on capital in 14 days. You can't beat that. Next trade on the weekly was our gold strangles. Put that one on 6/7, took it off exactly 4 weeks later, 28 days. We did make 1,060 on this particular trade. We took in a 65% premium capture on this one. So got well over our 50% in 4 weeks on this one, 65% winner, which ends up being close to a 60% return on capital in 28 days. And then finally, we also had a euro strangle close. So the euro USD futures strangle that we opened on 6/6 closed today, 29 days in trade on that one. We were able to close that at a 48% winner. So again, it closes close to 50% as we can place. 50% winner on that trade, 29 days, which ended up being about a 14% return on capital for the trade. So overall for the day, great day in the portfolio. We'll take those 4 winners. We'll take an extra $2,472. We're up $2,600 on the month so far in the first couple trading days that we've had. So only had a few days to be able to trade, and we're up 2,600. So we're already a third or more to our way to our target on the account. If we take a look real quickly here, again, $2,600 in realized profits so far this month, almost 1% month in already, and it's only the 5th. The actual portfolio value is up almost $2,500 as well. Again, about a 1% increase. So a lot of that's already realized, so you can't take that away. One other trade I want to mention before we jump here today is one of our CL, which is our oil futures 112 trades. We did take off the naked puts for about 96% premium capture on that trade. So we freed up all the buying power. We left a put debit spread on as a nice hedge for free. We've already locked in 96% on that trade as a winner. So we're in great shape. We'll see if that these couple trades all coming off is going to help our BP tomorrow when we reset a bit, be closer to that 50%. Maybe we get something else put back on. We did put back on our weekly ES and GC, but that's all we did because we're at our 55% buying power, so which locks us out of making any new trades technically until we get closer to that 50%. All right, so there's today's trades. If you like this video, you like seeing what I'm doing, please go ahead and click the like button, and we'd really appreciate that. You can go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber now and you want to see what we're doing. Lots of great stuff in the YouTube account here. And then if you want to click on that notifications bell so that you know when I'm posting something new. I did post a new video shortly, a little bit ago, on how to basically run a portfolio on your own account. So how to be a portfolio manager, what to look at monthly, what to look at daily, how to manage your overall portfolio as a portfolio manager. I recommend that you go on down, check that video out today. Again, give it a like if you like it. And you're happy to put in, you're welcome to put any comments that you want on these trades. I try to get to them all. I don't get to everybody. I try to respond to as many comments as I can here on the YouTube channel. All right, everybody, have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll see you all trading in the next day or so here. All right, have a fantastic rest of your day. Take care.